Your partner can also scan your body. This is a very clean sign of attraction and interest. Your friend or your partner may have a wide variety of signals that portray that how they are with you, how they are, what's going on in their mind. By observing these signals and taking note of these specific and general situation, you can understand their body language, how they are with you. You will be able to notice their tension, their depression, their mood, their abilities, or by understanding their body language. Number one, observe their facial expression. Your partner may make several facial expressions that involving eye, eyebrow, then mouth, lips, and these are some facial expressions by which you can understand their body language, how they are, what's their mood. Lifting up of eyebrow like this, if your friend or your partner lifts the eyebrow like this, it means that he's surprised or uncomfortable of something. If your partner lifts the eyebrow very quickly and smiles at the same time, it is the clear sign of attraction. Smiling without wrinkles, like when we smile, our eye become like this, there is some wrinkles, right? Yeah, like this wrinkles. If he smiles without wrinkles, that means it's a fake smile, or he isn't happy with you. Clenching the jaw and rubbing the neck is the clear sign of he's in stress. He's stressed about something. Number two, watch out of eye contact. Making of eye contact is a sign of interest, attraction, and intimacy. If your partner's eye contact is around the room or behind you, it means he's occupied with something else. Otherwise, what you're seeing, darting eyes, means your partner is anxious. Your partner can also scan your body. This is a very clean sign of attraction and interest. Particularly if he doesn't look away when you notice the scanning. Number three, pay attention to your partner's arms and hands. Clenched fist and crossed arms means your partner is defensive about something. If your partner holds out his hands with the palm facing upwards or outwards, he is probably feeling relaxed and able to communicate and willingly and openly. If your partner stands slumped down, leg crossed, and his hands is in his pocket, your partner likely feeling tensed or embarrassed about something. There are many signs, many symbols to understand someone's mind, to understand someone's mood. There's some more symbols. If you learn about that, you can completely understand a person's body language. I only told you some of them. There are many more signs that you can understand the body language. So, see you next time in the next episode.